If A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively. Find the P on AB such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Solution. Given points A, which is -2, -2, and B, which is 2, -4. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB, which implies AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Since AB is equal to AP plus PB, which implies AB minus AP is equal to PB, which implies 7 minus 3 is equal to PB. Solving this, we get PB is equal to 4. Therefore, AP by PB is equal to 3 by 4. Let P divides AB in the ratio 3:4. Using section formula, we have P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, which is 3 of 2 plus 4 of -2 by 3 plus 4, 3 of -4 plus 4 of -2 by 3 plus 4. Solving this, we get 6 minus 8 by 7, minus 12 minus 8 by 7. For the simplification of this will be minus 2 by 7, minus 20 by 7. Therefore, the required point is minus 2 by 7, minus 20 by 7.